Hi, this is Christian from FXVPS, your world-class Forex VPS provider for Forex traders. In this video, I will show you how to sign in to your VPS using Windows Remote Desktop Connection app. First step is, search for Remote Desktop Connection on your Windows computer. Open it. After that, check your email. Your server is now ready for your VPS credentials. On computer, type in your VPS IP address. Then click Connect. Wait for a few seconds, then type your VPS username and password on the pop-up. Check Remember Me, then click OK. There will be a certificate pop-up showing. Just check the box. Don't ask me again for connections to this computer. Then click Yes. Wait for a few seconds, then you should be connected to your VPS. On the top middle part of the VPS, you can minimize, switch to window mode, and disconnect from the VPS. That's it. Thanks for checking out this video. If you want to see more useful tips using a Forex VPS or a VPS in general, please subscribe to our channel. If you are interested on using one of our VPS, you can try us out for 7 days for only $1.99. Any questions or issues you have, we have our 24 hours live chat support, as well as email that is available anytime.